10 minutes to learn some Irish. Yeah, good luck. Okay, we might start with getting everybody to make a bit of a noise. Okay, if it helps, you might want to put your fingers on your throat just very lightly. And this will sound odd in isolation, but you can make lovely, beautiful sounds with it further down the line. And I'd like to just try making this sound. Good, I'd like to feel the floor vibrating with that sound. Good, good. There's another version, which is the unvoiced version, which is more like a maybe if you pick up a cat that doesn't want to be picked up, it might make a sound. Good, good. Hissing, I'm feeling the atmosphere from that. We'll go back to our sound. And we'll try and make a phrase out of it. We'll try saying diarit. Very good. Diarit. Diarit, Padraig. Good. Diarit. Can anyone tell me what diarit is? Hello. Hello. Good. Though it doesn't literally mean hello. Literally, it means dia is God. You're literally saying, God be with you. Diarit. Well, I mean, we're not necessarily always in a spiritual state of mind or a particularly religious state of mind when we're saying diarit, but it's built into the language. Like in English, I suppose, when you say goodbye, you're saying God be with you as well. So I'll say diarit, but you won't respond with diarit. Diarit, Padraig.
Diarit.
Good. But we might also respond, so a second person might say, dia is murigrit.
Yes, murigrit.